Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. Back again today with our cloud pour. And I'm not even sure if this can be done, but I'm going to try and do an open pour with the cloud paint. I already put down some of my cloud paint already. And now I'm going to, I put my my little cup down, and I'm going to start adding some of my paints. I'm going to use up the paints that I've been using the last few days. This is the Sonja Storm Blue with some Paynes Grey. Add some of that in. Have some of that matte metallics gold by Deco art. Adding a little bit of that. And we have muted violet by Liquitex soft body. Guess we'll use some of this I kept saying it was cinnamon, but I believe this is cappuccino from this little piggy. And then we have Liquitex soft body, red orange. And let's go through that. Let's add a little bit of our cloud paint. Whoop. And I have still some of this pink. Let's add some of that in. And I have some of that green. Could add some of that also. Okay. What do we have coming out there? That looks kind of cool. Let's add some of that muted violet. And some of that gold. Some of that storm blue, some of that cappuccino, I might as well finish up my pink. Add a little of that green. See where this takes us. Finish up that pink. Get some of that muted violet on top. I think that looks kind of cool. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This is Cloud Week. Maybe gonna turn into Cloud Month because I'm having so much fun with this. Give me a thumbs up, green thumb today. Thank you for coming. Have a great weekend. Nice having you here today. Hope you enjoyed your time, your stay here. Please subscribe. Come back tomorrow. We'll see you then. Donna from Hollywood. Wait for the close-up. Signing off. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.